In July 2026, the Church in Asia gathers for the 12th FABC Plenary Assembly. Around 110 cardinals, bishops, and other participants from across the continent. The 12th Plenary Assembly of the FABC will be guided by the theme, the call to synodal conversion and the mission to be bridges and bridge builders in Asia, rooted in the biblical foundation of Jesus' words to Nathanael. You will see greater things. John 1:50. This FABC meeting embraces synodal conversion and promotes bridge building across Asia's diverse cultures, communities, and faiths. One church, one mission, one Asia.